G'day, it's Ben here from Ben's Gardens. Just wanted to give a shout out to Lana. Yeah, we're really impressed with the new software and the guys have been great to deal with. So thanks, Chris, and thanks, John. Yeah, it's got a real intuitive feel about it. It's got a feel like Zero, which we're really familiar with, which is really good. So it's been instantly familiar from the get-go. We use it as an all-in-one job management software, and also say I'm on the tools, I'm sometimes working on my own, and I don't have time to get back to the customer. It's great because it can communicate with the customer. It can send out templates about jobs we've done, our reviews, what it might cost for whatever service. And it's a great way to qualify clients because we don't have time to call back every single client that calls us. It's really good as well for administration, which is tough when you're a small operator. And yeah, it's a really good all-in-one database. So yeah, we've really found a lot of value with it, and it's really helped with the administration side of things. So yeah, great bit of software, and gee, I'm glad it's come along at this time. So yeah, thanks guys.